Luvme hair, you all did your big one with this one. 250%? Yes. So let's go ahead and get into this one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. In today's video, we are getting into a unit from Luvme Hair. This is their all-day comfort wig, loose body wave. Now, this one is 250%. I feel like I did review the 180% one. Not 100% sure, but this unit is gorgeous. Look how pretty. Not really sure the length of this unit. I'll do a guesstimate once I put it on, and it will be located down in the description box as well. So this unit I am just going to wear just straight out of the box. I'm going to talk you through it, but before we install, I do want to show you everything that came along in the box. All right, so here is the box that we know and love, this beautiful purple Luvme Hair box. Inside the box, of course, we have the letter from the founder, Helena. Love me for you, born for you, existing for you, unbox the love and shine bright. We also have an elastic band. This one connects to the inside of the unit. A purple Luvme Hair clip. A purple Luvme Hair mesh bag to help store our unit. A purple Luvme Hair edge brush. A purple Luvme Hair rat tooth comb. A pack of HD wig caps. And this little brochure here with a thank you letter, common wig issues, wig care tips, and how to return. All right, so now I want to provide you with all the specs of this unit, and then we'll go ahead and install. So again, this is Luvme Hair's all-day comfort wig. It is 250% density. It does have a 7x6 HD closure. The texture is loose body wave. And it says it's supposed to have pre-cut lace, but as you can see, the lace is still on this one. So it does come in 180% density, but this one is going to be the 250% density. Now they do have lengths ranging from 14 inches all the way up to 28 inches. If I had to guess, I would say maybe this is 24 inches. Not really 100% sure, but again, I'll put it across the screen and I'll put it down in the description box below. So with this unit, it is a natural black color. They also have a blonde highlighted and then also a platinum blonde highlighted. Nice. Okay, but we are working with the natural black one today. Price is going to be, let me just give you the range. So for 14 inches, it's $144.32, and for the 28 inch, it's $334.32. Again, I'm going to put everything down in the description box that you need so that you know exactly what I am trying on today. So this unit is glueless. Circumference is 19 inches to 23 inches, 100% human hair. The knots are pre-bleached and the hairline is pre-plucked. It comes with a C-shaped left side part. However, with a 7x6 closure, you can change the part from left side part to middle part to right side part. You have some versatility there. The lace is HD, and yeah. Let's go ahead and install. All right, so we have this 7x6 closure here and no combs in the front, which I am seeing is becoming a trend. Units are not putting combs in the front of their units anymore, which I find interesting. I don't really know how I feel about that yet, but it does have the C-shaped ear tabs. We have a comb right here in the back. And we have this all-day comfort technology right here in the back as well, so you can adjust from a large head size all the way to medium and then small. So you have some adjustability with the cap size here. I'm just going to put it on that medium hook there. And then we were sent an elastic band, so I'm going to put that on the inside of this unit. Okay, so here is the adjustable elastic band, and it does have that silicone in the inside to kind of adhere to our head. We have some loops in the inside of the unit, so there's 3 loops and you can decide where you would like to put it. So I am just going to put it, let's just put it on the middle one. And then the same thing on the other side. Okay, so right here, just right here in the middle. And then if I do need to adjust, I will be able to do so because it is adjustable. I do have a nude wig cap on my head currently, just gonna leave it alone, and I'm going to start by placing this elastic band around the back of my head. Adjust this adjustable strap just a little bit, a little too tight. Okay. Now I'm going to bring this unit down, and I am going to install this back comb in the back of my hair. Okay, so everything is laying nice and flat in the back. And let us work with the front now. Okay, so just adjusting this unit on the front of my head, adjusting where the ear tabs will lay. All right, so with my shears, I am just going to cut as close to the hairline as possible. And you want to make sure that when you cut off your lace, you're not cutting just straight across. Make tiny cuts and kind of cut in a zigzag, jagged motion. And if you're not comfortable with doing this, I suggest picking up some pinking shears. They just cut a zigzag just straight across, which I believe probably is what these companies have been doing. But you can purchase them from any crafting store or from Amazon. And just be careful not to cut the hair. All right. Okay, so I am going to take a, what is this, a rake comb, and just use this wide side. Let me scoot back so I can show you the length of this unit. So it may be longer than 24 inches. Comes down to my waist. I wonder, is this the longest length? I don't know, I'll have to confirm. But yes, let's go ahead and comb through this unit. And I love that this unit already comes out the box pre-styled. There's not a lot that you have to do to this unit. As you saw, just cut off the lace and put it on my head. Oh, this is long, this is lengthy. And even if you want to like tuck it behind your ear, you'll be able to do that. Okay, but I am not gonna glue or spray this unit down at all, just because it's looking really good. It looks really good. The hair is very, very silky. I'm running my fingers right through it, no tangling, no snagging. Maybe one piece of shedding, but that is it, not a lot. One thing that I am going to do is just put a little bit of powder around the hairline where the lace is. So here is what the lace is looking like. So we're gonna take some of my contouring powder, the darker shade here, and just specifically in this area because I can see the lace. Just right here where the parting is, I feel like. And boom. What did I say? We're cooking with fish grease now. I can't even say it. Lord Jesus. Okay, so here it is. Let me also put a little bit of powder in the parting space. So this is Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 330. And an angled brush, and just brushing that right there in the parting space. Again, I did not put on an HD wig cap. Tap, tap, bad girl. But we will work with what we're working with. And just putting that right there in the parting space. And that looks good. So C-shaped parting space. There was this one video, I remember when C-shaped parting spaces basically just, well, they didn't just come out, but you know what I mean. Units started to put them in their, part their units that way. And I could not say C-shape parting to save my life. Like, it took me so many clips to say it. I don't know what was wrong with me, but the words just would not come out of my mouth. But here is the unit. Okay, here she is. Okay, let me go ahead and turn around so I can show you all angles. So of course this is the front and the side. Love that I could tuck this behind my ear. Love that. And then here is the back. So stretched out, comes to about the top of my butt. I don't know if you all can see the very bottom, but that is what it is. Flowy, bouncy curls. Very, very lightweight. Let me just say that. The unit is very, very lightweight. The cap is very lightweight. Fits my head like a glove. Love that. And love that it comes pre-styled for us. And usually when the unit is pre-styled, like sometimes it comes out a little crispy because they put hairspray on it when they're styling it, but this one is flawless. Soft curls. Straight out of the box. Straight out of the box. And again, 250% density. Love that. Love that it's a nice amount of hair, especially on a silky unit. We need all the density that we can get. Let me show you all that you can change the parting space on this unit. So just to let you know, I did not fool you. I did not spray this unit down. Here is that comb right under the lace. No glue, no spray. Okay, so we have a C-shaped left side part. Yes, if you wanted to, you can change it to a middle part. So here would be a middle part. If you wanted to change it to a C-shaped right side part, then you could do that as well. I would just suggest using a hot comb just to make sure that everything is nice and flat, or co-wash the unit and mold it into place. Either way would work. Okay, but that concludes this video. It was just that easy to install this unit. I'm sorry, I don't need to spray or glue or melt or anything. This unit is 100% glueless. Easy peasy, just throw it on your head, cut off the lace if it doesn't already come pre-cut, and you are good to go. Comb out the curls, just that easy. This is definitely a beginner-friendly unit, and I am here for it. I am here for this unit. I'm here for the loose body waves. I'm here for how easy it was to install. The hairline, let's just give another close-up of this hairline. Yes, to Luvme Hair, you did that. You did your big one on this one. You did it. You did it. This one is so cute. And again, it comes in other colors too. So if you wanted like a blonde highlighted or that platinum highlighted one, get your hands on this unit. This one is a keeper. This one is like one of those units that you keep in your closet because it's just a classic look. So yes, you want this one. You want this one. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. No cons on this one. I'm still unsure as how do I feel about no combs being in the front, but I'm feeling like that's just gonna be the new wave and I just need to jump on board, which I'm totally fine with. I think I'm totally fine with that. But I will put the link in the description box, so check that out. I'll put a link to Luvme Hair's website, this specific unit, a link to it, of course my promo code SNH28. If I do have a higher promo code, I'll put that down there as well. But that concludes this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send a friend, and I will see you all in the next video.